second you look smokes when I'm hovering them for 60 seconds, and you don't even fucking smoke. You're so fucking lost.
Get the foot like on my leg.
Close, that's
creepy crowd,
Behind.
hypnotizing, racking mileage, you end up bleeding me dry, hanging on for dear life with my pride, guess I'll leave it behind. You're wearing nothing but your perfume, it's one hell of a view. You made me an offer I can't refuse, I got it back for you. Pretty please come on over and ruin my life. Take my hand while we dance on the edge of the night. Na 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 na. Oh, na 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 na. She said, you can't tie me down, you can tie me up. She on an ego trip, baggage in the trunk. So pretty and you know it. My heart goes hammer time. The love we make is poison. It's like my only vice. You're wearing nothing but your perfume. It's one hell of a view. Made me an offer I can't refuse. I got it bad for you. So baby, pretty please come on over and ruin my life. Take my hand while we dance on the edge of the night. Na 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 na. Oh, na 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 na. Pretty please come on over and ruin my life. Take my hand while we dance on the edge of the night.
Oh, isn't it easy? What you do? Wow, that's nice!
You're just confused. Then you left me for dead when you shot through my heart without even asking. Like I'm the target and you're the assassin.
Put the blame on me, top of your wish list. My dream became a nightmare before Christmas. If I could pick between the two, I'd pick slit wrists. Only had you didn't really have a plan B. Now I'm on the substances and that's a plan C. Got me in the headlights, you can call me Bambi. 12 gets to my brain, I'm insane, try me.
Now I'm certain, carrying a burden, hoping you are hurting, cause I'm the one hurting. Tell all your friends you're just confused. Then you left me for dead when you shot through my heart without even asking. Like I'm the target and you're the assassin. Tell all your friends you're just confused. Then you
dropping F-bombs through the door, Bombay. Chewing on the heart of a tiger or a snake. I taste bad blood in my mouth, that's hate. Bury me alive, but I stay low-key. Hope it haunts you to the grave, no sleep. Your pussy shriveling, looking like roast beef. Try to find a man that does it better than me.